Hello, this is homebaristashop.co.nz. Today I'm introducing you to the MMD6 home doser grinder made in Milan, Italy by Magister. This is a 6 kilogram grinder and ideal for home use as it doses just like a commercial coffee machine, just like a mini version of a commercial cafe coffee grinder. So we have here the hopper, introducing the beans there to a capacity here of 250 grams. Turn on the switch, an illuminated switch on the side. The coffee passes through 50mm burr grinder blades and then enters the chamber here ready for dosing. So I introduce the portafilter onto the holding prongs here. The very well balanced lever that delivers the coffee right underneath straight into the portafilter. Any excess coffee, prior to you introducing this to the coffee machine, any excess can be leveled back into the hopper there ready for next time, and then we can proceed to tamp this. And now we can produce a nice espresso coffee for enjoyment in your own home. Thank you for listening. This is homebaristashop.co.nz.